Hello, my name is Razor and today I'll be explaining what Discord is for people that have no knowledge about it. Discord is a chatting platform that was first initiated for gamers, like TeamSpeak if you were there for that time, but even better. Discord was created in May 2015 because people were using Skype to talk while gaming. But now Discord has evolved into something great. Discord has recently changed their branding from a gamer's chatting platform into a general chatting software with more diverse uses. Discord can now be used by educational institutions like schools and colleges, organizations, YouTubers, streamers, influencers, and gamers, all alike. We've seen Discord come a long way from what it was, adding more and more features as it goes and listening to the community with their requests. So, let's hop into Discord and take a quick look. So this is Discord. My first advice is don't be overwhelmed. I know there are a lot of tabs, a lot of words, and a lot of things you may not understand, but let me explain. Let's start from the left side. These are called your servers. Well, what are servers? So, just like Facebook groups and Facebook pages, servers are made for a specific person or reason or institution, for example, and they hold much more inside them. It's a place you go to that has more stuff inside. So on Facebook, there is a group or a page for a Twitch streamer or for your school. Here, it will be called a server. I'm going to keep a Razor dictionary for us at the top to keep things organized. We said a server is like a Facebook group. Alright, so if you open a server, you will be greeted with something similar to this. Now I know things are a little bit hectic, but don't be overwhelmed. Things will be easier very soon. So let's start. What are these? These are called channels. Let's say you're an educational organization. You'd want a place to put your announcements, a place for people to generally talk in, a place for students to talk about homework, private place to talk to your teachers, or let's say you're a Twitch streamer. You'd want a place to post when you're live, a place for people to post clips from your Twitch stream, people talk together about, post memes, etc. You get the idea. So channels are places specified for a reason. Let's call them specified rooms because it's a room for a specific reason. Specified rooms. Right. Now, channels are divided into two parts: text channels and voice channels. Text channels are places where people send text. Voice channels are like group calls where people can go in, talk to each other, share their screens, or even open their cameras. Now, of course, you can specify who can do those things. For example, only the teacher can share their screen while students can open cameras and so on. I'll explain more in other videos about permissions, etc. For now, let's keep things very simple. So now that we're done with channels, these are the server members, the members that are in your server, or as we called our group. They are divided and specified by their role. We'll talk more about roles in a second. This way, the teachers and the students are separated. The Twitch streamer and his mods, his subscribers and his VIPs, or even just simple watchers, are also divided. Or maybe you're an influencer that has Patreon. Your patrons will be divided by their subscriptions, plans, etc. Overall, it's a way to divide people into who does what, and it really depends on their role. Each role can have certain permissions. Remember when we said only the teacher can open screen share, but students can open their video? Well, that's how you do it. As I said, we'll talk more about it in other videos. Okay, now that's a lot of information. Let's back off a bit. Okay, so we said there are servers. These servers include channels, members, and roles. Channels are divided into two: text channels and voice channels. Members can join these channels. Members also have special role to identify them and their privileges or permissions. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. It's a lot to take in if you never use Discord. But to be honest, it's really simple when you get the hang of it. If you're still flustered about it, I advise you open your Discord server. Just go over to the plus sign, create a server, you can choose a template or create your own. Skip the question and just create a server. Once you do, try and mess around. This is text channel, this is voice channel, and these are the members. Just like we explained. Well, if you still have questions, you can always join our Discord server. All you have to do is go here, click on join a server, and enter the following. It will be in the YouTube video description, so you don't have to remember it. I'll do it right now. But I highly recommend you join our server, so if you ever have any questions about anything, either me or my helpers can help you out. Right, so this concludes the basic Discord explanation. My next video will be on how to set up your server in basic manner. Next video will be about how to invite people to your server, and so on. Just hop on to the next video and start your Discord journey. Okay, it's been a pleasure talking to you. See you in the next video, adventurer. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time.